welcome to my video, and today we'll be making an insane paper airplane. It flies real fast and it flies really far. So this time we can only use regular paper, printer paper, and so let me put this away for a sec. So the first step is take this corner, and meet all the way right here. Okay? Then fold this corner to meet this corner. Then fold it in. And do it to the other side. Then fold it together like you normally would when you make a paper airplane. Then fold the sides. And boom! You've made an insane cootie catcher. Also, I call a shotgun. Thanks guys for watching. See you next video. And make sure to subscribe.